video. So this is the latest edition.
Hang on, let me just remove that.
You need to paint your men, they're a bit naked. Your people are naked.
They're supposed to be wearing overalls.
Skin coloured ones.
Well, remember he's colourblind. But that is quite an impressive roof.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Wow.
Now, do you want to see the next trick? The next bit I've got to do.
Okay.
You have to come round here to see.
Nina,
Oh, shall I put
when
the
he puts the
lights on?
lights on, look, this office building.
Oh, it started moving.
Yeah, that's right. That one just starts moving. It will run for about 2 minutes and then stop.
Right. Okay. Now,
Just pure white.
okay. Yeah.
The real one has a covered roof, and the arches are smaller, and the whole thing is much lower down. But it's a question of building something that looks right for this, if you see what I mean.
Yeah. Gives the right impression. But the trees and the rhododendrons all the way up the line.